Hi there, this is Catherine Magana, and today I'm going to cover what is the most important part of a financial plan. During the financial planning process, you look at your short-term and long-term goals and how to make the best use of your money. But one of the most important parts of the plan is really the initial process, which looks at your lifestyle. You look at what is your current spending and saving patterns, what are your current expenses, how much income do you have coming in, and what are you doing with those savings and investments. So that initial process, the budgeting part, yes, it's something that all ages need to look at, whether you're a newlywed or perhaps you're retired, because things may change in your life, and it's important to look at some different scenarios as you make those changes in life. For example, we have some that are retired, and when they're in retirement, now they want to go do more things with their grandkids or take family trips. So once again, these are things that can be done, but it's making sure that you factor that into your budget. So a few things to consider when you look at your lifestyle is what are you spending over the year? So you go back and look at the year and look at, okay, what are my expenses, and am I really staying true to that budget that I have in place? You want to also look at your debts. So if you have any short-term debts or credit cards, you want to make sure those are being paid off. How about an emergency fund? Do you have 3 to 6 months set aside? Perhaps it varies for each person, each family. If you have steady income, then perhaps you have a 3-month reserve. If you don't, then perhaps you have 6 months. And if you're in retirement, then you want to make sure you have some money set aside for your income needs. What about, are you saving enough to reach some of these goals? So once again, it's having a budget, it's sticking to the budget, and also going back and making sure you're in line and reaching those budget goals. And there's software in place, and there's really some great tools to help you track and make sure you look at this. So creating a budget's pretty easy. The hard part is really sticking to the budget and going back and making sure, looking to see if you stay true to those budget goals that you have. So when you look at what age you're at or what's important to you, it's important that at any age that you have a budget as well as you have a financial plan in place. So I'm going to leave you with a quote from Dave Ramsey. It's a budgeting quote, and he says, "A budget isn't about restricting what you can spend. It gives you permission to spend without guilt or regret." I'm happy to offer a free 30-minute consultation to see if we are a good fit for you or to answer any questions that you may have, and we appreciate you joining us today. Thank you.